Hello students, continuation of Unit 4 Accountancy, illustration problem number 5. The following particulars are available in respect of a business carried on by a partnership firm. Profits earned in the year 2016 is 30,000, 2017 is 29,000 and 2018 is 32,000. Profits of 2016 includes non-recurring income of 3,000. Now this 30,000 includes non-recurring income. Okay, that means to that extent it is showing a higher amount. So from 30,000 you should minus this 3,000. Okay, next profits for 2017 is reduced by 2,000 due to stock destroyed by fire. Stock destroyed by fire means it is a expense which is non-recurring. It is not going to happen repetitively. Okay, so non-recurring expenses of 2000, this has reduced the profits of 2017 to the extent of 2000. Okay, so this to 29,000 you have to add this 2000. Okay, next, the stock is not insured, but it is decided to insure the stock in the future. This is a general adjustment. Okay, the insurance premium is estimated at 5,600 per annum. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profits of last 3 years. Now first you should calculate the adjusted profits. So 2016, 17 and 18, the profits are 30,000, 29,000 and 32,000. In for 2016, there is a non-recurring income of 3,000 which you should minus, and in 2017 there is a non-recurring expenses which you have to add. Okay, now you get the profits after all the adjustments. Okay, now you have to find out the average profit. 27,000 plus 31,000 plus 32,000 divided by 3, you get 30,000. Okay, now from this average profits only you should make all the adjustments. What are the adjustments given in the problem? 5,600 insurance premium they have to pay. Okay, so from that total average profits you have to minus this 5,600. So average profits before adjustment is 30,000 minus insurance premium of 5,600, you get 24,400. Now you should calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to adjusted average profit into number of years of purchase. Adjusted average profit is 24,400 into number of years of purchase given in the problem is 2 years. Okay, so total you get 48,800. Exercise number 5. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried on by a partnership firm. Profit earned during the year 2016 is 25,000, 2017 is 23,000 and 2018 is 26,000. Profits of 2016 includes a non-recurring income of 2,500. So if it is non-recurring income, what you should do? You should subtract it, because to that extent the profit is showing a higher amount. So from this 25,000 for 2016, you should minus 2,500. Next, profits of 2017 is reduced by 3,500 due to stock destroyed by fire. So this is a non-recurring expenses. Okay, so that means you have to add, because the profits of the year 2017 is showing a lesser amount to the extent of 3,500. So you should add that amount to show the correct profit. Okay, next, the stock was not insured, but it is decided to insure the stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated to be 250 per annum. So after finding the average profits, you have to subtract this insurance premium. Okay, and then calculate the goodwill. Now look at the solution. Calculation of adjusted profits. in the year 2016 you are minusing the non-recurring income of 2500, and in the year 2017 you are adding the stock non-recurring expenses of 3500 and find out the adjusted profits. Then find out the average profits. 22,500 plus 26,500 plus 26,000 divided by 3. Okay, so average profit is 75,000 divided by 3, you get 25,000. From this 25,000 you have to make all the adjustments. Insurance premium payable in future is 250 per annum. Okay, so after minusing this you get the adjusted average profit. Now goodwill will be average profit into number of years of purchase, which is equal to 24,470 into 2. Goodwill is equal to 49,500. Now we have worked out the problems under the simple average profit method. Okay, the next one is weighted average profit method. Okay, now the formula is just the same, only thing you will change this. Okay, see here, goodwill is equal to, under average profit method you will write average profit into number of years, whereas under the weighted average profit method the formula will be goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years. Okay, and weighted average profit, how will you calculate this? Total of weighted profits by total of weights. You should write the heading weighted average profit method in your classwork and copy this formula and this formula first. Okay, and then work out illustration 6. Now illustration 6. For the purpose of admitting a new partner, a firm has decided to value its goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years using weighted average method. Profits of last 4 years and the respective weights are as follows. Okay, now the profits are given and the weights are given for different years. Compute the value of goodwill. First you should draw the format like this: year, okay, and 2015, 16, 17, 18 you will write here. Then profits one column and weights one column. Okay, so profits is 20,000, 22,000, 24,000 and 28,000, and weights are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Draw the column like this, and finally you should find the product. Okay, so weighted profits is equal to A into B, that is 20,000 into 1, 20,000, 22,000 into 2, 44,000, 24,000 into 3, 72,000 and 28,000 into 4, 1,12,000. So find the total of this, you get 2,48,000, and total of weights is equal to 10. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, you get 10. Now apply the formula. What is weighted average profit? Total of weighted profit by total of weights. Okay, that means 2,48,000 divided by 10. Okay, see here. So you get 24,800. Now apply the formula for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. So 24,800 into 3 you get 74,400. Okay. Exercise problem number 6. This is similar to illustration 6. Okay. So find the value of goodwill at 3 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 4 years. So here year is given, profit is given, weight is given. Now you have to find out the weighted profits. One more column you should give for solution. Weighted profits. Okay. Now that will be the product of profit into weight. So you get here 10,000, 12,000 into 2, 24,000, 16,000 into 3, 48,000 and 18,000 into 4, 72,000. Okay. Now find out the total of weighted profits. Weighted average profit is equal to total of weighted profit by total of weights, that is 1,54,000 divided by total of weights 10. You get 15,400. Okay. Now, goodwill is equal to weighted average profits into number of years of purchase. That is 15,400 into 3, you get 46,200 rupees as the value of goodwill.